What is Notion?
Notion is a digital workspace designed to help individuals and teams organize information, notes, tasks, and documents in one place. It combines elements of databases, wikis, and project management tools, making it a flexible solution for organizing knowledge, tracking projects, and boosting productivity.
The building blocks of Notion.
Notion uses flexible components called blocks. Each block can hold text, images, checklists, tables, databases, or other content. Users can move, combine, or nest these blocks however they like, allowing for completely customized pages that fit any workflow or purpose.
Creating and linking pages.
Users can create unlimited pages, which serve as canvases for notes, documentation, or project dashboards. Pages can be linked together, nested within each other, or organized in a hierarchy. This structure helps users build powerful internal wikis or knowledge bases that are easy to navigate.
Databases for structured knowledge.
That databases in Notion are versatile tables or lists where users can store, filter, and sort structured information. Each database can be customized with different views, such as calendars, boards, or timelines. This makes it simple to track tasks, manage content, or analyze data for both personal and team use.
Collaboration and sharing.
Notion supports real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on documents, share feedback, and assign tasks. Permissions can be set for different team members, ensuring information is shared securely. This makes Notion an effective solution for both solo use and team-based projects.
Integrations and flexibility.
Notion can connect with other tools through integrations, making it easy to incorporate workflows from calendars, emails, or project management apps. Its flexibility and customizability make it suitable for a wide range of needs, from personal goal tracking to complex team knowledge management.